Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to draw the newly launched iPhone 12. And for that you have to subscribe our channel, like the video and share this video to all your family and friends. And if you are done with that, then let's start the video. So let's draw our iPhone. So first we have to draw a rectangular shape with the help of a scale. And remember that you have to give a little curve to the corners of the rectangle. Also you have to give a little curve to your square. And now we will draw the cameras. And to draw the cameras you have to just draw small circles like how I have shown here. And so guys, if you don't know about this iPhone 12, then let me tell you that this iPhone has a ceramic shield in front and it's the toughest. It has a Super Retina XDR display, a bigger sensor which increases the details captured. Also A14 Bionic chip, most powerful OS in the world. You will have the best 5G experience. It is a photographer's iPhone. World's first device able to capture and edit 10-bit HDR footage with Dolby Vision. So these are the new features of the new iPhone. And we are almost done with the cameras, and now we will move towards the Apple logo, the main logo of iPhone. So now we will move towards Here I have just darkened the outlines of our iPhone. If you like our today's video, then tell us in the comment section below. Wait. If you like our brand new video, then tell us in the comment section below and subscribe our channel, click the bell icon, share this video to others and give this video a mega thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.